Hello everyone, and welcome to DeviceDiagnostic. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the power surge on the USB port error in Windows 11. Now, it's a very easy fix, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the process. Now, before we touch any settings, we need to clear the immediate safety warning so Windows doesn't shut down your port permanently. So first, disconnect all your USB devices, mouse, keyboard, flash drive from your computer, and then you should be able to see a notification pop up that says Reset. On the error message, just simply go ahead and click on Reset and close that window. Now restart the computer completely with nothing plugged in. Now once the Windows is back up, plug your devices back in one by one, and if the error doesn't come back, it was just a temporary glitch. And if it pops up again as soon as you plug in your specific device, that means that specific device is faulty. And if it pops up even with nothing plugged in, proceed to the next steps. So now if the error still persists, the software driver that controls your power regulation is likely corrupted, and we need to reinstall it. So right-click on your Start menu, then simply click on Device Manager. Now inside Device Manager, simply scroll down and click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then click on the arrow to expand it. And over here, right-click on the first USB root hub or generic USB hub, and then right-click on it. And then simply click on Uninstall Device, and then click on Uninstall right over here. Now repeat this same process for everything labeled root hub and generic hub. Now there is something that you should keep in mind, is that your mouse or keyboard might stop working for a moment. So this is completely normal. Just simply wait for a few seconds, and it should start working within a second. Now once they're uninstalled, restart your computer, and after that, Windows will automatically reinstall fresh working drivers as soon as you boot back into your Windows. And lastly, Windows 11 actually has a tool to fix this automatically, but they hid it deep inside the System menu. Now I'm going to show you how to force it open. So simply press the Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open the Run command. Now inside the Run command, just simply type a simple command, which you can find in the description box below. All you have to do is just simply copy it and paste it right over here. Paste msdt.exe space -id space DeviceDiagnostic. Then just simply click on OK, and this should open a pop-up window where you will see the old hardware and devices troubleshooter. Just click on Next, and just simply wait for it to scan your computer. Now after the scan is completed, if it finds a power issue with your port, it'll offer to apply this fix. Then all you have to do is simply go ahead and choose your particular error, and then just click on Next, and then it'll reset your power limits for you. So that's it. And now your port should be safe and working correctly again. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.